and welcome to Parenting Pathways. If you are new here, my name is Achiko Confidence. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to create family values. In creating family values, understand that families are created for the fulfillment of family purpose, and a family that thrives must have a solid foundation to do so. Now, talking about values, what are values? Values are the principles and beliefs that guide the decision, the behaviors, and interactions of family members. These values are often passed down from generation to generation, shaping the culture and the identity of the family. You don't assume that children should develop values. You create values because values are doings. And in doing them, you start by writing them down as a goal. But first, before writing them down, consider what actually is your own values first. Then your spouse, then you can talk about it. In creating family values, talk about the contents that comes to your home. Talk about the books you read. Talk about the pictures you hang on the wall. Talks about the clothes you wear. Talks about the music you listen to. Talks about the food you eat, the movies you watch. It's like colors in a palette, right? We are given a bunch of colors to paint our paintings. And if your family is that painting, that is the vision I want you to have. That your family should look like. Is the story you tell, right? The movies you watch, right? Because most of us parents today, in fact, 98% of us parents today, we were born and raised in homes without values. We were raised with anyhowness, assumptions, and ignorance. And then now we are parenting ourselves, parenting our children with the same anyhowness and the same normalized nonsense. Values are what gives your family a direction on where to go, what to do, and how to go about it. Values are what helps you have a desired hope. For example, this is my family values. On top of it is our family name, family vision, family mission, and family values. Our vision is to raise a godly home. Our mission is developing the whole child in Christ. Our values are love, forgiveness, honor, integrity, good communication, good manners, self esteem, support, kindness, truthfulness, and selflessness. The children knows our values. We, the parents, know our values because we have family values. Our action, reaction, communication towards anything has to align with our family values. Anything outside our values is not accepted in our family. Whether we are at home or we are in school or at office or anywhere we go, we practice our values. We relate with our values. We communicate with our values. We have good communication is part of our values. We don't talk to people anyhow because we have values. Honor is our value. We honor people. We respect people because life is reciprocal. It's give and take. How you treat people is how they will treat you. So honor is our value. We don't disrespect. We honor people. In my house, we don't play ungodly music. We don't wear bone short. We don't dress half naked. There are channels on TV we don't watch. Be it anybody from my husband's side, from my side, it is known before you come. And when you come and start disrespecting those rules and boundaries, then you are no longer welcome. You have brothers and sisters who are difficult to stay with people. They give themselves big title. It's my brother's house, it's my sister's house. You come and then you start disrespecting rules and boundaries. Some will even be using your husband things or your wife things. And then you want your husband or your wife to understand. You can't send them. The only help they help in the house is to eat your food and complain. That is the person you want your husband or your wife to understand. What is there to understand? They are so disrespectful, they are lazy, they can't help do anything in the house. That is the person you want your wife or your husband to understand. What is there to understand? That's why it is important to have family values and create boundaries. Understand that your home is a spiritual place. Your home is an altar. It's not everybody that goes to the altar. So if your husband or your wife is uncomfortable with any character display by your sister or your brother, declare a state of emergency immediately. It is something you should address immediately. Don't say your husband or your wife is being too hard. Address it immediately. There are times and seasons in everyone's life that all you want is just a no moment. You just want your space, a quiet time. You just want your space, your quiet time. Then somebody will come in unannounced that is a visitor to scatter your plans. Create family values and boundaries before somebody comes visiting. It's important. Let them inform you that they want to come so time. So that when you are making your plans within that period, you will include them. Anybody that is not comfortable with it, let the person stay where they are. It's your home. People may have problem with that, but the truth remains is your home. It's your home. So creating family values and boundaries will help you reduce stress. It will help you take away unnecessary visitors. It will help you take away unnecessary friends. It will help you take away anything that is unnecessary. And you will be good with your life and family. People will complain, yes, it's normal. They will say you are being too hard. But it's your home. You need to protect it. Your home, your marriage is all you have that belongs to you. So you have to protect it by creating values and creating boundaries. You have family, you don't have family value. Where are you taking your family to? It's like driving your family on a journey that has no destination. So where are you going to land? Where are you going to land? Can you see there's a big problem? What are the benefits of creating family values? Number one, to restructure your home. Number two, accountability. And number three, to help you become more intentional about your family. How do I create my own family values? You start by calling your family for a meeting. Your wife, your husband, your children, be on that table with them. Talk about it. Present to them like you have this great idea of creating a family values. What do they think about it? And listen to them. Allow everybody to speak. Avoid verbal abuse. Avoid power struggle. Avoid being judgmental. Because family meeting allows everybody to express themselves. Their feelings and opinions are very important. So you listen to them. Listen to their views and suggestions. By so doing, it will foster a sense of belonging and value. To create your family values, be intentional in living the values. Because if your children don't see you living the values, they won't do it because children learn by what they see. If they don't see you doing it, they won't do it. Remember, you are your child first role model. Parenting is about you first before the child. So, whatever you want your child to do, that should be what you should be doing. You are shouting and you are telling your child not to shout, that child must shout. You are insulting your child and you are expecting your child not to insult, that child will insult double. So whatever you see in your child, just know that is what you are doing. They learn from what they see you do. So you create your family values, be intentional. Be intentional about it. So that as you are living the values, your children will also be living the values. Now, let me give you one good example on how creating family values has helped me in my marriage. My husband is this type of person that every little thing he wants to shout. So when we create family values, we tell ourselves, honor is on our family values and good communication is on our family values. So when we start practicing these values, my husband will forget and start shouting. And then my children will come and tap him and say, Daddy, you forgot that you are a king in this house. Why are you shouting? And then my husband will pause. And then another day it will continue and then they will come again. Daddy, you forgot that you are a king in this house. And then, Daddy, you forgot that good communication is our value. And then my husband will pause. Even me, they were reminding me like that. And me too, I was reminding them like that. And that was how it continues. It continues. It's an everyday thing. Because every day we are doing interaction, every day we are dressing, every day we are eating, every day. So sometimes my son sit down and then maybe he's eating anyhow. The sister will now tap him and say, you forgot that you are a kid, see the way you are eating. You understand? Then he will adjust. So whatever you are doing, we have to remind you, you forgot that you are a princess. See the way you are doing. And that is how we have been practicing it till today. So we are conscious that we have values that are guiding us. So sometimes we want to do something and then we remember, then we will pause. We have to come back and correct it. So everything is happening in your house because there is no direction, there's nothing guiding. Create family values today. Let something guide your home. Let your family stand on something that is giving it a direction. You have sisters who don't dress well. Then they dress and come to your house, your children are seeing it. You have brothers who are chain smoker. You allow them come to your house, sit and smoke in the presence of your children. Or your husband drinks beer. Then you allow him to sit in front of your children. What are you doing? What are you trying to say? Then tomorrow you now start disturbing God. Oh God, help, oh God, help. When you yourself, you are not helping your family. You find this video interesting, like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload my video, you'll be notified. Because in my next video, I'll be sharing with you on 4 types of parenting styles and their effect. You are a parent. Which parenting style was used in your upbringing and how does it affect you? Now that you are a parent, which of them are you using on your children? Because parenting mistakes can ruin generation. So thank you for staying tuned and God bless you.